We'll guide you through how to set up a headset on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With this guide, you'll be able to go and get sound playing through it and also use the microphone on it if it's got one. So to get started, go and connect it to your computer. Most likely it's a USB connection. So you can just go and plug it into a USB port. If it's got audio plugs, then you need to plug it into your computer. After you've gone and plugged it in, then what we need to do is just go and check on the headset itself, as it may have a control panel where you can adjust the volume on it. And also there's a mic mute button. Make sure it's not muted and you've turned up the volume. That doesn't apply to them all though, but just check it physically. Then what you want to do is go and find the sound icon in the bottom right of your computer, and you can right click on it and press sound settings. Alternatively, just come into your settings, into sound. Come into output and make sure you go and select your headset here. That's super key. Then the sound will play through it. You can scroll down and adjust the volume. Make sure that it's not muted here as well. Unmute it and turn it up. Then come into input and make sure you've got your headset microphone selected if it's got one. Then you can scroll down and make sure it's not muted and turn up the volume as well. If you're struggling, you can always use a troubleshoot at the bottom. But that's it. It should now be set up and should have sound coming through it. And also you can use it as a microphone. Leave a like if you found this useful.